Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing Rolls-Royce Spectre Semaphore Signal. Rolls-Royce has unveiled the Spectre Semaphore, a one-off commission ahead of its debut at the Quail during Monterey Car Week. The vehicle is a striking interpretation of the marque's first electric vehicle. The Spectre wears Semaphore Yellow exterior paint, a bold and eye-catching hue. Custom marbled paint spill artwork on the hood, creating an illusion of chrome liquid flowing from the Pantheon grille. It also has silver lacquer under multiple layers of clear coat for a stunning visual effect. Its interior has lemon yellow and citrine yellow upholstery, matching the exterior's vividness. Grace white and slate gray finishes on select surfaces. Lemon yellow stitching and digital dials to complement the exterior. Wood trim painted in cashmere gray and infused with silver mica flakes for a sparkling effect. The dual-motor electric powertrain remains unchanged, delivering 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. The Spectre Semaphore is a one-off creation, making it a highly exclusive commission. The standard electric Spectre Coupe starts at $422,750, but the bespoke nature of the Semaphore likely demanded a significant premium. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.